adventure to Wonderland? Sure, but first we need to make a white rabbit so he can show him the rabbit hole. Oh, that would be awesome! To make a white rabbit, we need to use Playdoh. First, we're going to need orange Playdoh to make the body. And now we need white Playdoh to make the head. Now we need a little white Playdoh and little blue Playdoh to shape ears. Aren't they cute? They are. What's missing? Oh, we need cheeks, eyes, and mouth. And also, don't forget the nose. Almost done. Just need the mouth. Yay! It's really cute. But we're still missing something. What are we missing? Oh, we're missing arms and legs. So let's stick it on the body and make some details on him. There's our white rabbit. Now we need yellow Play-Doh and blue Play-Doh, which is dark. So we need to roll it to make a scarf. So that's our white bunny. But is that all? No, we need more bunnies. Why? Because only one is the right bunny. But who's gonna be? I'll check. It's this guy. Because he got a pocket watch. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.